Hey everybody, it's Oteen from Oteen TV, and I'm about to start my washer videos back up. As you can see, I got a new machine. Other one got damaged, so I had to get another one. And the person I bought this from said it was new, which it looks brand new. As you can see, looks brand new inside and everything. But I just noticed one thing as I was about to start filming a video. See that crack right there? Yeah, there's a crack in it right at the top. And as you can see where my finger is. It goes all the way, where is it at? Right here. It goes all the way through. Right here is where my finger is. So what I'm gonna do, excuse my little bathroom setup here. What I'm gonna do is take my glue gun, hot glue gun, and see if I can put, whoa! There we go. See if I can put some hot glue on the outside and on the inside and repair it. At least, I won't be filling it up that full, but at least if water splashes up there, it won't be coming out. So that's what I'm going to try to do now to see if that will even work. So give me a second to get my hot glue gun and I'll be back. Okay, here I am with my glue gun, and you can see I have a cordless hot glue gun. I'm going to try to get it on the outside first, just to kind of seal that up. And hopefully it does not, well, if it runs, that's fine, I don't care. I just want to make sure that crack is sealed up good so nothing comes out of there. Stop running! I guess it's going to keep running. But with the inside, I don't know. I may just leave the inside like it is. Because if it's sealed on the outside, it's definitely not going to come out from the inside. So I'm going to let that dry. And then I'll be back. I mean, it looks ugly, but it's going to get the job done. So I'm good with it. So I'll be back once that dries to let you see how it looks from the inside. Okay? Okay. On here you can see that the crack goes all the way, it's not even. I can push it out, but it won't stay that way. So I just added a little extra glue in there to hopefully fill that gap right there so nothing will come out. Well, we'll see how it turns out. It's better than nothing, I think. I think I'll still be able to use it. So I'll come back after it dries, and I don't know how I'll do a test, but I'll try to do a test. Okay. This here is all dry. And I don't know if you can see, if I can zoom it. It did cover that crack that was right there. So I think that'll be okay. Doesn't look good, but that's okay. As long as it's going to get the job done. This machine here is just about exactly like the other ones I've had. I've had maybe 2 or 3 of these, but it's just about the same. The only thing is this one here only came with one inlet hose, which is this thing here. Only came with one of them, and every other one I've had has come with 2. But let me close this up. All the controls are the same. It has 2 water inlets. That's why it typically comes with 2 inlet hoses. The wash is just the same. The markings on the side, the full line is marked a little different. It's marked M and, what is it? M and, it's normally marked full, but I think this is marked M and F or something. M and S. I don't remember. But the markings are different in there to let you know how full to fill it. It's typically about right here where my hand is. Let me turn it this way. There we go. It's usually about right here where my hand is the full line. So then the spin part, that is exactly the same. Oop. Sorry. Then the spin part, that's exactly the same with the little cover here to cover the clothes when you put them in. But besides that, everything is exactly the same, and besides my bonus crack in the front that I got. But everything's still the same, and I will be getting videos up soon. Like I said, I got started trying to prep to do a video, and I noticed that crack in the front. So this is just a little preview, and just to let you know I'm on my way back to do some more videos. So stay tuned, like, comment, subscribe, and let me know anything you want to see. I know I have a few requests to do jeans, to do towels. I think I had a request to do sheets. So those will be my first few videos that I do within the next few days. I should have them up within, at least one up within the next few days, and then going forward a couple of weeks. All right, see you soon. Like I said, like, comment, subscribe, and let me know if there's anything you'd like to see me try in here.